ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ನವಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಳಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೆಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Our objectives, apart from actually doing Rajyotsava function in November, our main objective is actually to promote cultural diversity, to create a progressive and creative environment for expression of employees' hidden talents. That means we actually try to nurture various talents that individual employees have. We have a lot of functions where we actually get to display this talent, and also we try to promote this talent through those functions. And also active engagement and contributions in programs of social responsibility. This is one part that is probably not very visible in terms of all the employees. We have a lot of activities that go in terms of social responsibility. We'll go through some of them. And to help fellow employees understand and enhance their knowledge on Kannada and its culture. During this function, as well as before and after this function, there are many things that we do to make sure that we spread the awareness of the beautiful language that is Kannada. We actually started in 2007, and we were actually spread in multiple locations at that time. And when we came to this building in 2008, that is when I think we started as one whole group, and we started actually doing programs every month. We have a monthly get together. It's not a formal program or celebration or something like that. We just get together and we try to share our views. We also look for some talent. We have different types of cultural events that we do on this, third or fourth Thursdays that we do. It's a 1-hour program between 4 to 5. And also, I think one of the key objectives, apart from doing Rajyotsava, we actually are very active in distribution of school books, notebooks, and stationery. And we also actively participate in We Care. Obviously, grand celebration of Kannada Rajyotsava you are witnessing right now. Just this is the last 11 months calendar, okay? So this is what we did in 2013. All of these programs starting from Sankranti Samagama, where we actually had Sankranti related kabbu, okay, and we had very tasty sugarcane juice. We also did Hasya Samagama, which is more of like sharing chutukus, jokes, okay. And obviously the month of March is dedicated to women. So we had I think that was probably one of the most celebrated Samagamas, and also we had a lot of interest and lot of attendance also. That is Mahila Samagama in the month of March. In the month of April, we had Yugadi Samagama. Auspiciously, we moved to the new year, Vijayanama Samvatsara. So we had that celebration then. And again, one of the most famous ones, the Mayotsava. Right? Mayotsava, all of us who gathered, we know that we had close to around 35 to 40 items that we bring as potluck. Okay, everybody brings it from their own homes, or cooked by their families or themselves. I also had cooked something. And the next one is Mahotsava. Okay, that's the season of mangoes. So what we had done this time differently was that we had brought not just mangoes, different varieties of mangoes, but also dishes that were made out of mangoes. Okay, it was really very good. And we had Chitra Vichitra Samagama, again one of the creative art forms, where we had a quiz kind of a competition there, Chitra Vichitra Samagama. Then Kavya Samagama, more of poems and literature, and also some quick quiz that was conducted in Kavya Samagama. Kala Samagama, I don't think many of you actually noticed a small stall or a table there with all the art and architecture, not architecture actually, articles made by our employees, okay? There were a lot of things like quilling and embroidery. So there were so many items. Actually, when we started this Kala Samagama, we thought that we hardly find actually people showcasing their talent. small art that they do at home for time pass. Okay, when we actually got the amount of articles on that day, we were shocked to see. I mean, we felt that, why not keep a shop on Rajyotsava? I think there were so many items that our people actually made. Okay, male, female, all of them. Thank you. And the last one, just last month, we did a Charana Samagama. Charana is nothing but trekking. A group of the Balaga and, closer friends from Alcatel-Lucent, we went on a trek to Kodachadri. So we thought of sharing our experience and also to promote more physical activity to all the employees. So that was Charana Samagama. Next slide. Okay, as I told you, we did get involved in a lot of social responsibility activities, and one of our primary goals and objectives that drove into social responsibility is actually distribution of books and stationery. We identified around 3 or 4, maybe 4 or 5 schools, and we actually focused on actually helping them with educational aids such as books, stationeries, bags, all of this. And one of the premier schools that we started with, we have Venkatesh Master who will be invited here. We started with this school around 5 years back, and these are some of the things that we have done. Okay, I'll just try to highlight a couple of things what individuals can do when they come as a team. We got introduced to MSIL, which is the premier organization that used to and even now produce books, okay, manufacture books, and you won't believe we got the best price for the books that we purchase of the highest quality. Okay, and we do not compromise on quality, even though it is like we are contributing to the people, poor kids. So quality, I think, was the utmost importance for us. So we approached MSIL. And geometry boxes. ITC was one company. We thought, why not just approach? All of you have heard of ITC Factory's Classmate, right? Brand. This is one of the top brands for stationery. So when we approached, what we got, the response that we got was amazing. The CEO of ITC actually told the regional head, sales head, he told that, look, somebody has actually approached me directly, and in this deal, we should not do 1 rupee of profit. Okay, that's what ITC Factory CEO said to the regional. So with all the help of these people, we could do much more with these discounted prices. I think we also do merit recognitions for preparatory exam results, students with high performance in their preparatory exams, and also dictionary to all the newcomers into the high school and other schools. Especially the last one, scholarship for merit students passing out of 10th standard. This is something we identified that people in the rural areas, we noticed that there are a lot of kids who actually drop out of 10th standard because of financial and family problems. So what we identified was that with the help of masters like Venkatesh Master, we identified some kids who want to do good and they're financially backward. So we thought that we should sponsor them to actually continue their education beyond 10th standard. So that is something that we did more actively in the last 2-3 years. Advantages, as I told you, students' attendance has improved drastically. Safe and good quality drinking water with the water purifiers that we've given there. Students using computer, very good performance in 2012-2013 results. And the school actually is topping the taluk and also the kid there. Improved interest in taking science. Generally, the rural kids are a little scary of actually taking science. With all the help that we provided and with the masters like here, they are more interested now, keen to go for science, okay, and which is good for us. And appreciation received from Government of Karnataka Education Department. So there are a lot of appreciation that we received from the block education officer also. There are other schools, Ramurthy Nagar Government Primary School. Here also we supported around 400 children with books and stationery. And Vanakalu School. These are two schools, Vanakalu School, Orphanage, and Kanaswadi Government Primary and High School. These are on Tumkur Road, close to around 40-50 kilometers from here. And we did a lot of, provided educational aids to the children there. Celebrations, I don't think we need to tell anything about the celebrations. They are all visible for you. So we'll go to the next. These are the websites, blogs. and we also have a Facebook account there /Srigandha. So please visit this. This is primarily not just for Kannadigas or Kannada speaking people. This is an initiative basically to spread the language and the culture of the state. Okay, so please visit this, and apart from that, I think we have some photos just to showcase what we have done. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸುಂದರೇಶ್. ಬಳಗದ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೇರಿತರಾಗಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಲೈನನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೇಡ 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 ಅಂದದ್ದು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಡ ಮನ, ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹೋದ ಮಾನ. ಕೈ ಬೀಸಿ ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ತಾನ, ಕೈ ಬೀಸಿ ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ತಾನ. ಸಿಗೋ ತನಕ ಬಿಡಬೇಡ ಛಲ ಗುರಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಛಲ ಗುರಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮಂಥ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಗದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಮುಂದಾಗಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ತೊಡಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ 2 ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಗದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ. ಹೇಳಿ 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 ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ನು ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ನು ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಳಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಮುಗಿಲನ್ನೇ ಮುಟ್ಟಲಿ, ಮುಗಿಲನ್ನೇ ಮುಟ್ಟಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ನು ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಛಲ ಗುರಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಯಿ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸದಾ ಒಲಿಯಲಿ, ಸದಾ ಒಲಿಯಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ನು ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರೆಯಲಿ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಡವಾರಹಳ್ಳಿ ಪಾಂಚಾಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಡವಾರಹಳ್ಳಿ ಪಾಂಚಾಲಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ 1 2 3 ಮೈಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಪಾಂಡೆಯವರು. ಅವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಅ ಸೋಲೋ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ by Smriti Pandey.